Okay, I wanted to walk through everything that comes in the Young Living Premium Starter Kit with you. So the most popular kit that most people get is the Premium Starter Kit with everyday oils, and you can choose a diffuser. The most popular diffuser to get for and this is my personal preference, is the Desert Mist diffuser. It's a really good, versatile diffuser that fits well with any decor scheme, and I'm going to show you just quickly how to use this one. So this is kind of a cover. It has this really pretty Moroccan trellis look to it, and the cover comes off completely, and here is the diffuser base. Now this little cap comes off, and inside here is where you pour the water. There's a little line on the edge where you can see that's the fill line, so you'll fill it with water. You can use tap water, but just beware, you're going to have to clean the diffuser out a little bit more often if you use tap water. Or you can use distilled water, filtered water, bottled water, whatever. But you just fill this with water, and you'll add, I like to add about 6 to 10 drops of oils to this diffuser for the size that it is. That's totally your choice. You can start low and slow, start with just a few drops. But I usually find that about 10 drops of oil total is my sweet spot for this one. So once you fill it with water, you'll add the oils into the reservoir and then you'll put the cap back on, put this cap back on so that it's all ready to go. And then you'll turn it on with this button, and then you can change the light features with this button. I love this diffuser because it runs for a super long time. It'll run for up to 10 hours. There's a few different intermittent settings, meaning it will run for a few seconds and turn off for a few seconds. So that way it runs longer. There's also 12 different light settings. So it has like red and green and blue and orange and yellow. It has like a candle flicker setting, which is really, really pretty. It kind of looks like a lantern. And this diffuser is super versatile. It goes great in kids' rooms. It goes great in bedrooms. It's very like sturdy. It's made out of a really hard plastic, so it's hard to break, which is awesome, especially if you have kids at home. And it's just really, really pretty. So this is the Desert Mist diffuser. There's also a couple of different diffuser options. There's the Dewdrop, which is a really basic teardrop shape diffuser. There's the Rainstone, which is a black clay diffuser. That's very nice. And then the Aria is definitely like the queen of all diffusers. The Aria is a really beautiful wooden diffuser that has a glass dome on top, and it'll like cover a lot more square footage when you use the Aria diffuser, but you'll also have to use about twice as many drops in it. So it's a beautiful statement piece. I highly recommend it. If you can splurge to get the Aria diffuser, to do it, because it's everyone's favorite diffuser. Everyone who gets it always talks about how much more they love to diffuse because of how beautiful it is. But the Desert Mist is a really great beginner diffuser, and it comes with a 1-year warranty from Young Living, so they guarantee that it will work properly, and if anything happens to it, damage or it shorts out or anything like that, very unusual to happen, but it does have a warranty, so they'll send you a replacement one within 1 year, which is awesome to know that it's guaranteed that way. Okay. Here is what you really are here for, and this is the beautiful box of the Premium Starter Kit. This contains all of the goodies that come in your kit. So we're going to unbox it together. It's a really, really beautiful, sturdy box. Actually, the people who created like Apple product packaging designed our packaging, so it's really nice and compact and just gorgeous. It makes a really good display as well. So here's the little box, and this has this little pull tab with some magnets in it. So you'll pull this and open to see all of the amazing oils inside. There's this whole tray of oils, and the Premium Starter Kit comes with, I'm going to just kind of walk through them with you quickly. It comes with lemon vitality, meaning you can take this lemon internally, you can add it to water or tea or anything like that. You can add it in baking, you can put it in capsules. It's great for your digestive system, your liver, kidneys, gallbladder, great for gently detoxifying. It actually is pH balancing, and so it helps to really like alkalize your body when you drink it in water in the morning. It's great for degreasing any kind of sticky residue or cleaning or getting gunk off of stuff. So lemon vitality, and then this is Digest Vitality. This is our digestive support oil that comes in the kit. Great for anything digestive. So stomach aches, can't go, going too much, feeling nauseous, anything like that, Digest is your friend. It's an awesome oil. I like to put a drop of Digest Vitality just right under my tongue. You can put it in capsules. You can also just rub it on your belly. This one's safe to use with kids too. You can add a little bit of carrier oil and rub it on their bellies if they're having some problems with digestion. It's just a really, really great go-to digestive, all things tummy oil. Okay, this is Thieves Vitality. This is our immune supporting oil. I think a lot of people know a lot about these because we talk about it so much because it's so awesome for the immune system. But it is a blend of like cinnamon and clove, eucalyptus, rosemary, and lemon. And it is great for diffusing to kill germs in the air. It's been university studied to kill 99.9% of airborne germs. Has all kinds of studies behind it. So this is a great one to have during fall and winter to give your immune system a boost. We like to put it in some hot tea with some honey. It's delicious and a great way to get that in your system. We also put it on the bottoms of our feet. Okay, this is Citrus Fresh Vitality. This is a blend of citrus oils and spearmint. I love to use this on our wool dryer balls in the dryer because it makes our laundry smell super fresh. I also like to diffuse this because it makes everything smell and feel really clean and fresh. Peppermint Vitality. This is a super versatile oil that is great for mental clarity, energy, helping you feel woken up and alive and alert. It's great for the digestive system. It's great for the respiratory system. It really helps to open up your airways and increase the oxygen intake, and it smells amazing. So add a drop of your peppermint to the next time you make brownies. Just add like 1 or 2 drops to your brownie batter and bake it, and it is going to be the best brownies of your entire life. So good. Okay. The next oil on the bottom, you'll notice these are all the Vitality ones, so these can be taken internally. These ones on the bottom are regular labels, so these are to be used topically or aromatically only. So Raven is a great respiratory oil that is great for opening up the airways. Rub it on your chest, rub it over your sinuses, on the back of your neck, behind your ears, anywhere where you need some help supporting that respiratory system. This is a powerful oil. It is so good for helping you breathe, helping you cut down on coughing, helping you cut down on sniffles and all of that stuff. So diffuse it, rub it all over yourself whenever you need that. Valor is our favorite, like confidence and courage in a bottle. Seriously helps with feeling less anxious, less stressed, less nervous. It helps me overcome just mental and emotional blocks. Helps me think of the things that I need to say. Helps me feel more confident doing everything. And I just love Valor. So use this on you or your kids if you ever feel anxious or stressed or feel like you need some confidence help. Pan Away. This is our amazing long day eraser oil. It is great for sore muscles, anything that hurts, anything that doesn't feel good, that needs some soothing relief. It has helichrysum and clove and peppermint and wintergreen in it. So it's like warming and cooling at the same time. Brings so much good relief to all of those places that feel uncomfortable. Lavender is our Swiss Army knife. I think everybody knows something about lavender, but it's very calming. It's great for the skin. It's great for helping your body heal. It's great for helping your body find balance. It just does so many things. So if you're in doubt, use lavender. It'll probably help. And then frankincense is, I cannot believe that we get this oil in the starter kit. It's just such a valuable, precious oil. Young Living is able to source their frankincense directly from Oman. We're one of the only companies that is allowed to source from that specific region in Oman, and frankincense is very precious to the people in that region because they know how healing and how powerful it is. And so we get a full bottle of frankincense in our starter kits to use on your skin, to use for your respiratory system, to use for your emotions. It helps you feel grounded and more stable, more balanced, and it's just really great for every cell in your body. So I like to try and use frankincense at some point in some way every single day. Okay. In your kit, there's this little tab. I don't want you to forget that there is an entire wealth of extra goodies underneath the tray of oil. So you pull out that tray, and then here's the little divider. And then on the bottom tray are 2 more oils. You get your Stress Away oil, which enough said, right? Every mom needs Stress Away. Put it on your stomach, put it behind your ears, put it on your kids, put it on the top of your head. Wherever you need it, you can diffuse it too. And it comes with a little roller fitment, so you can turn this one into just a roller bottle. You can use it on any of the oils you want, but we suggest Stress Away because so many people love using it. And then Peace and Calming is another one that you get with a roller fitment. Peace and Calming is an amazing oil for literally helping your family or you or your children or whatever atmosphere you're in feel more peace and calming. It is amazing for helping you sleep, helping you calm down, helping with nervous tension, anxiety, all that stuff, and another roller fitment too. 2 pouches of Ningxia Red. This stuff is amazing. You get 2 2-ounce sachets. This is 50% wolfberry puree that we source directly from Ningxia, China. It is so nutrient dense and rich that all you need to take is about 1 to 2 ounces a day. So these 2 pouches would actually get you through 4 days of taking it if you took half of the packet every day. Pop these in the fridge as soon as you can. They're best when they are served cold. I actually love to add this to like a sparkling water, like a LaCroix. Any of the flavors, I love adding it to a key lime LaCroix or a limoncello LaCroix are amazing. You can add your vitality oils to this. You could add your citrus fresh or your peppermint or your thieves or whatever to give it a little bit of a boost. But this is so good for you. Helps you balance your blood sugar, has a ton of fiber, has a ton of nutrients for just helping your body operate optimally, and in all kinds of ways. So this is an amazing thing to add to your daily routine. Highly recommend grabbing this on your next order from Young Living. Okay, you get a Thieves hand sanitizer, which is amazing. It has 65% alcohol, so it is approved by the CDC as a hand sanitizer. And the powerful ingredients in it is the Thieves oil. So this is an awesome thing. It's very gentle. It has aloe vera in it, so it's not harsh on your hands, which I love. And then you get a Thieves surface spray. So this is to spray down shopping carts, diaper changing stations, high chairs, door handles, your steering wheel, anything you need to disinfect. This is your little disinfecting spray that has thieves oil in it, and again alcohol, so that it is a actual disinfectant. So that's what comes on the bottom of your tray. Don't miss this bottom part because it is really, really awesome. It comes in your starter kit. Okay, 2 more things you get from Young Living that I want to make sure I highlight because I feel like people miss this a lot. You get a Getting Started with Essential Oils guidebook. This is an awesome book that it comes with your kit from Young Living. It has all kinds of information about the basics of oils, why to use them, how to use them, things about each oil that comes from your kit. It has awesome recipes in this. Awesome recipes like Citrus Fresh Vitality Lemonade, Peace and Calming Body Spray, Citronella Floating Candle Bowl, ways to use Digize, things for kids, highlighting the kids' oils, some of the kids' oils, and some other suggested things. So this is a really, really great book to help you kind of get started using what's in your kit. And then you also get a complete product guide. Yours might look a little bit different than this because this is the 2019 product guide. They come out with a new product guide at some point every year, but this has the full product offering for Young Living at that time. Okay, so this is like a printed version of what you will find online when you sign into youngliving.com. But I always suggest looking through this. This is a great guidebook to work through as you're learning more about essential oils. There is a ton of information in here. It's basically like what we teach in our Oils 101 classes in book form, which is super nice and handy to have. And there's stuff about all of the Thieves products, all of the kids products, all of the at-home products, all of the oils, and all of our blends. There's information about essential rewards and all of our supplements. So I highly recommend at some point after you get your kit, sitting down, just take like 10 or 15 minutes to look through this like you would read a magazine, and get a marker or a Sharpie or something and some sticky notes if you have them, and mark this up. Make your wish list from this product guide because this is where all the Young Living products are at one place. I feel like a lot of people lose this because they set it aside and intend to look at it later, but this is a wealth of product information and knowledge that I feel like a lot of people miss out on. So keep this handy. Keep this next to your oils box or your oil stash, so you can pick it up and look at it. There's even like animal care products, which I think a lot of people don't even realize we have. But if you have pets, they can use oils too. They work great for them. And there's just tons and tons of information about the products, essential rewards, how to share, some resources, and all of that stuff. So you get those 2 books with your kit. In addition to whatever extra resources that your enroller gives you, I highly recommend, especially if your enroller doesn't gift you one. These are getting a little bit hard to come by, but this is the Essential Oils Pocket Reference. This is like the oils Bible, basically, where it has all the information about why oils, how to safely use essential oils, which is a really important part, information about every single oil and blend, and just some usage applications. It has a whole like index of issues and like different oils to use for different things, which is super, super helpful. So grab one of these from either from your enroller, ask them how you can get one, or you can go to discoverlsp.com. That is the publisher that sells these. For a limited time, they're actually going out of print. So if you can't get your hands on this one, that's okay. We can hook you up with the information a different way. I also highly recommend that you download the Life Steps app. That is our team's app. It is like Google for oils and Young Living products. It has courses for you to take. It has like information about every product bundle and every product line, educational classes about all kinds of things from kids to stress to exercise to female problems and hormones and all the things. It has courses and resources, videos for you to watch, things for you to read, information about all of the things that Young Living offers. Has oil of the month recommendations, recipes, graphics. Tons of stuff available for you, and I highly recommend you download that so that you have access to all of the updates without having to rely on social media. And so that is what you get with your premium starter kit. You also get me or your oily friend, whoever sent this to you, as your personal guide. We will help you every step of the way, make practical, easy, simple solutions to get a more chemical-free life and start using your oils effectively and seeing how truly amazing they are. We are so excited for you to take this step. Let us know if you have any questions, and we will talk to you soon.